M&O Networking 2025. I'm here with Mr. Tom from Global Onsite that provides good service for the market, but now we're going to know more about it. Mr. Tom, thank you very much for receiving us here in your event that you are a sponsor. Could you talk more about what the Global Onsite provide for the market and the importance to be a sponsor on an event like that?
I mean, the whole idea is to meet the new clients and open up for other people to come into the oil and gas business. That's the whole idea. Global Onsite is, most of the people know, is a very reliable client. We do hoses and fittings worldwide, all over. There is no limitation in our work. That is the main focus for us.
And what's the importance for Global Onsite to be a sponsor in an event like that?
I mean, it's for open up for other companies to come in and also to meet other companies that benefits us for having more work, of course. Yes.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Mr. Tom, to receiving us here, be a sponsor on an event like that, and success for your company. And continue with us because it's just a beginning.